What you see going on here is the guys replacing some bad railroad ties. If you notice in my caboose ride, we had some ties that were going bad. I scheduled the track maintenance crew to come in, and we decided to change about 200 ties before the next train. You can see some of the ties to the left that we've took out and piled up. This is ongoing maintenance that is really never done. While you watch this guy drive some spikes in the tie that they just replaced, I want to take this time to thank everybody that has subscribed for subscribing and helping me reach just over 6,000 subscribers. If you continue to watch, I'll be posting different train videos from week to week. So I want to thank everybody that's continued to stay subscribing so they can watch all my videos that I post. Thank you.
There you go, really nice. Let's keep it.
The guy you see here coming up, he's got a tape measure, and what he's doing, he's measuring the track gauge, and he's making sure that it's somewhere between 56 and a half to 57 and a quarter. You do this after you replace tires to make sure your gauge stays on, or it stays in line, so the train don't derail. I want to thank everyone for watching, and I want to ask that you please like, share, and subscribe, and continue to watch for all my train loading adventures. I'll be posting another train loading video shortly. Thank you.